Hi guys, I'm Paul. I'm in Miami, African Island base. I have some great news for everybody. We just have some amazing collaboration between African Island and Kurosumi. We call Dragon Box. Let's check it out what's happening inside, okay? It's great. First one, it's a beautiful custom design. This is a handmade pen. Only the few people in the world can do this. And built from machine. And also machine is African Island Flux Max. It's one of my favorite machine. I've been using for years. Also, extra battery. Also, you can see the dragon design. Beautiful. Oh, love it. Ooh, look at this. Dragon coin. Let us remember this year, 2024 Dragon year. Wow. Refill double charger. And they can same time charge 2 batteries under 2 hours. And you can be ready to go. That's amazing. Oh, it's a drawer. Wow. That's a Kurosumi ink. The 5 inks we released, it's been 24 years already. Little gift. I probably is the first person gonna be using this Dragon Box to make some tattoo. Let's go.